Hi. So what we're going to do today, we're going to talk about how to create a bar graph using Excel. So I have a problem very similar to one you see in your homework assignment, and it states that in 2012, your company made $5,256 in quarter one, $4,120 in quarter two, $6,512 in quarter three, and $4,987 in quarter four. In 2013, quarter one, your company made $4,123. $4,233 in quarter two, $5,537 in quarter three, and $3,777 in quarter four. In 2014, your company made $4,753 in quarter one, $4,142 in quarter two, $5,341 in quarter three, and $5,000 in quarter four. So make a bar graph to better understand the data in this number set. Now you can make a bar graph for each quarter for each year. However, you would have three different bar graphs, that correspond to each year, and then you would have to do a comparison of all three of them. Well, that seems a little bit cumbersome. However, you can actually create a bar graph that has each quarter side by side set up by each year. In other words, how to do that, we can utilize Excel to go with that. Okay. So everybody has access to Excel. Independence does provide that free of charge for students. So what we want to do, up at the top row, we want to put our years here. So the years that we have are going to be in 2012, 2013, and 2014. Okay. And over here on the A column, okay, we're going down. That's where we want to list our quarters. So quarter one, which I'm just going to list as Q1. Excuse me, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Okay. Now in 2012, the company made $5,256 in quarter one, $4,120 in quarter two, $6,512 in quarter three, and $4,987 in quarter four. In 2013, our company made $4,123 in quarter one, $4,233 in quarter two, $5,537 in quarter three, $3,777 in quarter four. Now in 2014, the company made $4,753 in quarter one, $4,142 in quarter two, $5,341 in quarter three, and $5,000 in quarter four. Okay, so we've inputted all of our data into Excel. Now, in order to create a bar graph, what we want to do, we want to highlight everything that we have data in. Okay, so we're going to highlight this entire big rectangle here, and then we want to go up at the top and hit Insert, and then over here in the middle where we have like the recommended charts, one of the first things you're going to see is this thing called a bar graph right here. So it'll give you plenty of options to choose from when you're trying to figure out what kind of graph you want to pick from. The easiest way to do it is do the first option for the 2D column, the cluster column. The reason why is because the cluster column, well, we see that the blue represents the years in 2012, the orange represents the 2013s, and the grays represent 2014. So that's how we can go about making a bar chart to represent this data. So let's call this chart title Company Revenues. Let's do revenues. Okay. So company revenue. All right. So you see we have the quarters down here at the bottom. We have the amounts that we made, and we have the years broken up by color. So this way right here, you can actually do a comparison on how the quarters were in the previous years. Okay, so if we're just looking at quarter one, for example, in 2012, we see that the quarter, or the amount that we made in quarter one, actually went down and then it came back up. In quarter two, roughly the same amount of money was made. Okay, so not too much progress. In quarter 3, the amount that we made actually went down over the years. And in quarter 4, it was up, then it went down, and then it went back up again. Okay, so that's how we can analyze that. That's where your explanation would come in whenever you're trying to do this assignment problem. As always, guys, let me know if you have any questions of any kind. Definitely use technology to your advantage because it does help you in the long run. I promise you. So definitely reach out to me, your lab instructor. We are happy to help. Until next time, see you later.